Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the headlines. Almost one-man show for Parrikar at recent Assembly session. Out of 48 major assurances and announcements, 39 from Parrikar. Rest 5 ministers have 9 assurances in their account. Watch special report. Government may not appoint administrator on Goa State Cooperative Bank for now. Goa State Bachao Samiti to contest election. Bank election scheduled on 19th August. Outgoing Chief Secretary Srivastav, concerned about investors losing confidence in Goa, says government should deal with issue on priority. Corrupt officials should be suspended prima facie, says Srivastav. Baba Ramdev declares nationwide agitation against black money in foreign banks to announce future course of action on Monday. 3-day fast at Ramlila Maidan concludes. And after making a hat-trick of cross-country titles, Nitisha Gaonkar wants to dedicate her efforts to boost long-distance running in Goa. Benny Rubello vows to defend his title next year. And now the news in detail. It was almost a one-man show for Manohar Parrikar at the recently concluded 4-week-long Monsoon Assembly session. Out of almost 48 major announcements and assurances given by the ministers on the floor of the House, 39, that's 82%, have come from the Chief Minister himself. Other 5 ministers in line just have total 9 assurances in their account. Watch special report.
27-day-long assembly session concluded on Wednesday after 20 successful business days. Many claim it was a one-man show by the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Some feel it's inevitable as many of Parrikar's cabinet colleagues are first-time MLAs or ministers, and CM was bound to intervene when they fumbled. Some claim the questions asked by MLAs involved many departments. Some feel it's bound to happen as CM himself handles almost 60 portfolios. Whatever may be the reasoning, on the face of it, it's a one-man show. Have a look at these assurances. Mining policy before assembly session concludes. Minimum employment assurance scheme by December. No sale conversion of agricultural land for non-agricultural use. Regional Plan 2021 to be ready by February 2013, hearing from September. Schools to have complete basic infrastructure within next 18 months. Reservation for local students in the aided schools from next academic year. Revised midday meal scheme with PTA's involvement by November. Balrat to all needy school by 15th August. Special status to Goa CM to meet PM raise issue in Chief Minister's meeting. Offshore casinos out of Mandavi in next 5 years. Extremely backward status to Dhangar community. Door-to-door garbage collection in Madgaon from 4th week of July. Ladli Lakshmi forms to be made available to MLAs banks from 1st week of August. 90% Mayakas to be independent by 19 December. Krishi Rath scheme by October 2012. All Goa clean up plastic garbage drive from September. Monthly freezing of Horticulture Corporation vegetable rates revised scheme by October. Government to recruit 450 forest guards from tribal areas. Illegal tree cutting transportation will be registered as theft. Kerosene at 25 rupees per litre for fishermen within 8 days, quota 2000 litres. Proposed land acquisition policy to be applicable to land losers on ongoing projects. Crackdown on drug trade policy to discourage enclaves from coming tourism season. Lusophonia Games infrastructure to be ready by August 2013. Madai government to seek experts' advice on approaching Green Tribunal to stop Karnataka. Amendment to law of succession for equal right of succession to daughters. Drug Trade House Committee to submit report within a month. Local cable TV channels network problems to be resolved within 6 months. Sand extraction guidelines being framed as per Supreme Court's direction. Recruitment drive for 2,000 new police personnel soon after assembly session. Government to decide technology for garbage treatment by November. Whitener edict, street children. Madgaon police to keep watch and act. Government to appoint an administrator on Goa State Cooperative Bank if same leaders re-elected. Inquiry into objectionable mural and its removal at Animal Husbandry Park Panji. Reinvestigation of Nadia Turado's suicide case as the case had political color. Inquiry and action in GCA Sukur IT Park scam after vigilance report. Candidates appointed during code of conduct violating RRS will be sent home. IDC to take back SEZ land in its possession, not to be reverted to landowners. Government to demolish jetty constructed at Bitona if found illegal. Inquiry and action in Rajiv Kalamandir demolition reconstruction case by GSIDC. Pending payments of PWD contractors to be cleared before Chaturthi. Government to absorb 1,400 ONM PWD workers under Labour Society. Panji Old Goa National Highway bypass 4-lane tender by October. Government to enforce 2-helmet rule can't relax central motor vehicle rules. Portuguese Zeram tax on temples to be scrapped. Reduce ration quota state delegation to meet petition union minister. Government to clear backlog of ST vacancies within 3 months. Government to declare youth policy soon. Illegal retaining wall by star hotels at Bamboli, inspection and action. Ministers are bound to fulfill these assurances. Out of these 48 major assurances, statements and announcements, 39 have come from the Chief Minister himself. PWD Minister Sudhin Dhavrikar has 4, Francis D'Souza 1, Dayanand Mandrekar 1, Ramesh Tavadkar has 2 and Alina Saldana has 1 assurance to her account, while other ministers could hardly heed the media headlines as there were no major announcements. That's not all. In addition to almost 60 portfolios handled by Chief Minister, Parrikar skillfully replied the Assembly on the budget demands pertaining to his cabinet colleagues Avartan Futado and Deepak Dhavrikar. Almost a one-man show. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Government may not appoint any administrator on the Goa State Cooperative Bank, at least for now. The move may follow the bank's election results. BJP's Sangay MLA Subhash Desai on Sunday announced Goa State Bank Bachao Samiti's panel for the election. Candidates for Daman and Diu will be declared later. Chief Minister Parrikar had earlier said if the reply by the bank on the alleged poll process irregularities is not satisfactory or if the controversial members are re-elected, then the government would prefer appointing an administrator on the bank. The election for the bank is scheduled on 19th August.
प्रत्येकान आपले पॅनल फिल्ड केल्ले आसा. हांव आयज जे हांगासर आसात ते एक गोवा स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँक बचाव समिती हांचे मार्फत ही निवडणूक लडोवपा खातीर हे सगळे जे उमेदवार आसात ते हांगा जमल्यात आनीक आयज आमी आमचे पॅनल जाहीर करतात. आमचे अपील आसा की आमी मुखार सरल्यात व सहकार चळवळ जी गोंया भितर आसा ती वाचोवपा खातीर सरकार बिगडूंक शकतालें जर सरकार ह्या हातूंत भितर पॉलिटिकल इंटरफेरन्स म्हणून ताचो खंय तरी संबंद जातलो म्हणून चड प्रमाणान सरकार हातूंत भितर हस्तक्षेप करपाक शकना. हांव आयज पसून आयला न्ही तो सरकारा कडच्यान आयलो ना. हांव म्हज्या इंडिविज्युअल कॅपेसिटीचेर गोंया भितर एक बरें प्रशासन ह्या बँकेक मेळचें म्हणून आयिल्लो आसा. दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान म्हाका खबर आसा की हें जर संचालक मंडळ आयलें जर जायत हे फुडले घोटाळे आनी जे कितें अनर्थ जावपाचो आसा तो टळटलोच. पूण वी आर व्हेरी कॉन्फिडंट दॅट वी कॅन ब्रिंग इट बॅक. हें जर आयलें जर जायत इमिडिएटली विदीन 2 years जे पयले लॉस जाल्ले आसा ते भरून काडपाची ताकद ह्या बँके भितर निश्चितपणान आसा. भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे म्हाका दिसता खुबशे आमदार ह्या मुवमेंटा भितर प्रत्यक्ष सहभाग जातले कारण सगळ्यांनीच म्हाका सांगला की तूं मुखार वच. पूण सरकार म्हणून न्ही तर भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे जे आमदार आसात ते सगळे सपोर्ट करतले.
हे पळय आसा हातूंत अवश्य चवकशी जातली. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव पळय चवकशी आसा त्यो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव सगळी चवकशी जे जे लॅप्सीस जाल्यात पळय जे जे लॅप्सीस जाल्यात ते लॅप्सीस जाल्लेले आसात आनी त्या लॅप्सिसांचो चवकशी जातली.
Reporters Lokik Shilkar and Mahesh Kadi for Prudent Media. Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev has decided to launch nationwide agitation after his deadline to the Prime Minister expired on Sunday evening. Ramdev has threatened to galvanize the nation on the issue of black money. He will announce his future course of action on Monday. Baba Ramdev had a 3-day long fast at Ram Leela Maidan in Delhi since Thursday to demand action from the government to get back the black money stashed in the foreign banks.
कोई निर्णायक कार्रवाई नहीं करते तो इसका सीधा सा संदेश जाएगा कि प्रधानमंत्री जी आप व्यक्तिगत रूप से ईमानदार हो सकते हो, इसके ऊपर हम कोई टीका टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहते, लेकिन आपने यदि कार्रवाई नहीं की तो आप भी राजनीतिक रूप से ईमानदार हो, इसके ऊपर एक बहुत बड़ा प्रश्न चिन्ह लग जाएगा। प्रधानमंत्री जी को अपनी राजनीतिक ईमानदारी दिखानी पड़ेगी, नहीं तो कल से फिर वह जन क्रांति होगी, वह महाक्रांति होगी, और जो क्रांति रामलीला मैदान से होगी वही क्रांति का महाशंखनाद फिर हिंदुस्तान के हर घर घर में, गांव गांव, गली गली में 121 करोड़ लोगों तक गूंजेगा।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, प्रूडेंट मीडिया।
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.